In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Google Calendar as a PDF. This process is super handy if you need to keep a hard copy of your schedule or simply want to share your calendar with colleagues or friends without granting them digital access. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open up your Google Calendar by typing calendar.google.com into your web browser's address bar and logging in with your Google account. Once you're logged in and viewing your calendar, head over to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a gear icon that represents settings. Clicking on this gear icon will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu you'll want to select Print. This might seem a bit unconventional since we're not actually printing anything on paper, but it's how we access the PDF functionality. Once you click on Print, a new window will pop up offering various customization options to tweak your PDF. The first thing to do here is to adjust the print range. This setting lets you decide the time frame for which your calendar is saved as a PDF. You can select whether you want to save a week, month, or custom time period. It's entirely up to what suits your needs best. Next, you can choose your preferred view. Options typically include weekly or monthly layouts depending on how detailed you want your PDF to be. For those who prefer a larger print or smaller, this is the time to adjust the font size. Simply select what works best to ensure your calendar is both legible and aesthetically pleasing. Orientation and color are also choices you need to make. Decide if you want your calendar in landscape or portrait mode and whether you prefer a color version or a black and white one. This decision might depend on whether you plan to print it or keep it digital. Remember, getting these settings just right can make a significant difference in how clear and useful your final PDF will be. After configuring all these settings to your satisfaction, look for a drop-down menu labeled Destination with the option Save as PDF. Click this option. However, you might find in some cases that this step is skipped, especially if your system defaults to saving the calendar as a PDF automatically. Once you've ensured your settings are correct and selected Save as PDF, you'll click the print button. Don't worry, nothing will actually be printed. Instead, your calendar will be saved in PDF format. A dialog box will appear prompting you to choose where you want to save this file on your computer. Select a folder that's easy for you to remember. Finally, if you'd like, you can rename the file to something descriptive and useful for future reference before you click Save. And there you have it, a saved PDF version of your Google Calendar, ready for printing, sharing, or archiving. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to save your Google Calendar as a PDF. Happy organizing!